Hi friends. Welcome to aimstoday YouTube channel's English speaking classes. Let's learn the usage of I'm good at in this video. Again, I'm is used here as I am. Good at informs someone what you excel at and are comfortable doing. Here are some examples. I'm good at drawing. I'm good at video games. I'm good at swimming. I'm good at driving. I'm good at reading. I'm good at sports. I'm good at writing. I'm good at math. I'm good at dancing. I'm good at chess. Now let's learn the usage of I'm plus verb. I'm is a contraction of the words I am. By adding a verb to I'm, this lets you express an action or occurrence about yourself. Here are some examples. I'm eating lunch. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm scared. I'm driving to work. I'm crying. I'm typing an email. I'm cooking dinner. I'm combing my hair. I'm hanging a picture. I am texting. I am dancing. I am interested in the job. I am exercising. I am sad. I am learning. Now let's learn the usage of I'm getting. When combining the words I am and getting, you are telling someone you are gaining possession, being affected by, or have plans to seek out and obtain a particular thing. Here are some examples. I'm getting better. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm getting a toothache. I'm getting a cold. I'm getting married. I'm getting tired. I'm getting good at reading. I'm getting a new car. I'm getting a job. I'm getting a puppy. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates and notifications from AIMS India. Thank you. Have a good day.